Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL portable app not working. As you can see, I am in the official website of JBL customer support and they can say that. Please do the following in this order. First, go into the app and clear the cache. Second, uninstall the app from your device. Third, forget or unpair the headphones speaker from the Bluetooth list on your device. Fourth, reboot the device phone twice. This is an important step as it ensures that the device has gone through an entire on/off cycle without ever seeing the app for Bluetooth pairing, so all remainders are removed from the phone. Fifth, reset the headphone/speaker. Then pair the headphone/speaker to your device. Then play some music to ensure a good Bluetooth connection. Then download and install the app. Then open the app and allow all permissions. App will not function without permissions. So please allow the necessary permissions. And in the last, when the app opens, it should find your speaker and function properly. Note, this says that we cannot guarantee the use of our app when using beta versions of operating systems. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.